HillbillyNitro, back at it with another one. The Walk and Talk, episode 28. JE made Mini Zulu coming up. So let's get to this. This can come in the mail. This was another one from Saturday's mail call that we're just now getting to. So it's a pretty cool little knife here, I do believe. So we're going to check it out. As I've said in my Zulu video, which I will link in the description. Don't know much about these knives, but they are pretty cool and they are well made. So very nice knives. So let's get to opening this up. If you would take a look at the link in the comments if you would like to help support the channel. We need all the help we can get. We're on a mission to get a new camera. So if you'd like to help out, take a look at that link down in the comments. So look at this, lots of peanuts. Wow, peanuts. I love eating peanuts. Look at all these beautiful peanuts. We'll definitely eat these later. There's our product. There's a Nelson box. Got a receipt here. We don't need that. We file those in the trash can. There are peanuts over here. Here we go. Chick-ching. There's our subject of the video. Everything's situated here. Very cool little knife here. Check this out. Mini Zulu. If you have I guess you would call it the standard Zulu. This is like a must-have, I guess. It is exactly the same. It is a carbon copy of the regular size Zulu. It's just a mini, and it is very small. Check this out. 223 bullet here. There's a 223 up beside it. Here's a 7.62 by 39 AK round. Very small little round there. Knife. We'll get the specs on it, and let's take a look around her first before we get into those specs. And I'm going to add the specs to the easy open Viper that I did yesterday. So that's going to be in this video too. I was running out of time on my camera, so we'll do the specs in this video. Very cool little knife. This is exactly like the regular size Zulu. Come on, focus in. There we go. Look at that. Sweet little knife. Snappy too. Snappy. That pull is probably about a 6. And on this little small knife here, it's snappy. Yeah, that's about a 6.5. Feels great. Man, is it sharp too? It's sharp. Love these little knives. There's our back of the blade there, S35VN. I love some S35VN. Got your, I guess this would be it's a satin, but it's like a tumbled polish. You know, they like tumble them, I do believe. It's not a bead blast like I thought, like I said in my other video. It's more like a tumbled finish on it, where they just put the blades in a big batch and tumble them around with some compound. Very nice. Sweet little knife. Look at the size of it. That's crazy. Let's get the specs on it. I'm yakking too much here. Okay. We are just over, almost right at 4 1/4 overall length. Wait a minute, that's 3. No, it's 4. Okay. Sorry. And let's see here. 2 1/2 closed. Cutting edge on it is a whopping 1 3/4 inches. And we'll get you some weight here. I'm sure it doesn't weigh much. .3 grams. Check the ounces. That's 0.857 on the ounces. And while we have the scales out here, get the Viper out. Yesterday this had a spot on it. That was grease from the pivot here. That's what that was. I thought it was like a glue or something, but that was just grease. It's gone, as you can see. So here we go. Let's get the specs on this easy open Viper. There it is. Beautiful knife. Beautiful. Feels great. Man, I love that walk and talk on it. If that's what you would consider that. I mean, it's not exactly a slip joint spring in it. So there we are, 60.3 grams. Let's see here. 60.2 grams on the weight. And on the measurements, we are, there's 6. Almost 6 3/4 overall length. And our cutting edge, 2 1/4 on the cutting edge. No, that's 2 3/4 on the cutting edge. So there's that. And like I said, this has got about a 4 on the pull. It's about a 4 on the pull, but it's got a strong detent, so that don't pop out of that detent very easily. So as you can see, there's quite a bit there. That's a strong detent right there. Even though it is just like a 4, I don't know if you would consider this. It is sort of like a ball bearing in your action here. So, but it's got a strong detent. So I love that. I love that number 4 pull right there. Easy to just grab and open. Very smooth. I don't know if you can hear that. Hear it pop into that detent. Very nice. It just pops in there. So. Had someone inquiring about if I thought it would close up on you very easily, just because it just had a number 4 pull. So very confident that that thing will stay open, and it's got quite a bit of strength right there in that detent. I'm putting quite a bit of strength right there trying to close it, and it barely wants to pop out of there. Oh, so great knife right here too. Wrap that up. So there we go, guys. There's the mini Zulu. Sweet little knife. Go great with your regular Zulu. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Keep an eye out for me. Thanks for watching, guys. Hillbilly over and out of here. Peace.